All right. Hey, this is a quick little tutorial on how to get your StreamElements widget files such that you can use the converter to convert the StreamElements into Slime2. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your StreamElements dashboard. You're going to go to Streaming Tools and then click on Overlays. You're going to want to find where your chat overlay widgets are. For mine are just called Chat Overlay. So I'm just going to edit that. And sometimes you'll see these like extra items in your little like groups on the layer or whatever you want to call it. The one you want to look for is one that says custom widget. It's a little hard to see because StreamElements is weird, but you know you have the right one when you click on the object, and then when you click settings, it will show you open editor. If you see this, you're on the right object. So you click on the open editor. Now, for the HTML, the CSS, the JS, and the data, you want to end up creating new files for each one of these with the file extension being .html, .css, .js, and this one could be whatever. So for HTML, we're just going to go ahead and do this. So we're just going to open up Notepad here. So I'm going to open up my start menu. I'm going to paste all the data from the HTML tab here into this file. Now, the important thing is that when we go to save, we're going to type it in as file.html. You can actually call it something else if you didn't want to call it file, but it needs to be .html. And the important part is that you go down to the Save As Type menu right here, click on it, click on All Files. If you don't do this, it will show up as file.html.txt when you go to save it. And you don't want that. You want it to just be .html. So we're going to hit save here. And then you're going to do the same exact thing with the other tabs as well. Remember to change what the file extension will be. So for the CSS, we're going to paste that. We're going to save again. We're going to call it file.css. And remember, save as type, all files, save as. There you go. Now we're going to do it one more time. We're going to open up a new window. We're going to copy everything from the JS tab this time. We're going to save it. And then we're going to go to all files here, and we're going to go file.js. Save. And now, if you got this right, you will have a CSS, an HTML, and a JavaScript file in your Explorer. Now, the last one is data. Data is a special one. You can literally save it as a text file. It's completely fine. So you're going to do a new window. You're going to paste it. You're going to save. And you could just call this one as settings. And you save it. Now, when you go over to the StreamElements chat widget converter, click on the upload settings. You give it the settings file that we made. Input widget files. So that's the CSS, HTML, and JavaScript file. We hit open for all those. That ends up creating our download. We're going to hit download converted widget files. We're going to save. Yep. We'll open up this. And this is your Slime2 widget. What you'll do from here is you'll just create a new folder or something somewhere. I just made a thing called output. I'm going to drag all the stuff in there. And this is all set up for Slime. All it needs now is the Slime2 key, which you can get by going to the slime2.stream website, clicking on account, and then setting it up from there. There's a whole entire other tutorial that's actually really straightforward. It's under this widget setup button. It would tell you that all you have to do is just go into here, log in with your Twitch, and then a file will be, it will be presented with a file that you could download. I have it already downloaded somewhere else. It will be called your slime2_Twitch key. You're going to end up taking that downloaded file, put it right into the same folder as the SE bridge, SE config, Slime2 Twitch key, StreamElements files, and also this widget. You're going to drag the widget over. And if I click on send test message, you'll see that now my chat box works. And that's it.